In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut, copy, and paste in Microsoft Word. Whether you're working on a school project, preparing a business report, or simply jotting down your thoughts, these fundamental skills are essential for efficient text manipulation. Let's dive into the process and make the most out of Word's features. First things first, let's open your Microsoft Word document. This can be a blank document, one you're currently working on, or even an older file that needs some fine-tuning or updates. Microsoft Word provides a robust set of tools for word processing, and learning to cut, copy, and paste will help you make edits quickly and easily. Now that you have your document open, it's time to select the text you want to move or duplicate. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the desired section of text. If you want to select a single word, double-click on it, and to select an entire paragraph, triple-click anywhere within the paragraph. Precise selection ensures that only the text you want to work with is affected. With your text selected, a quick way to decide your next step is to right-click the highlighted section. Doing so will reveal a convenient pop-up menu. Within this menu, you'll find the options to cut or copy the text. Cutting is typically used when you want to move the text to another location, removing it from its original spot. It's like physically cutting a snippet of paper to move elsewhere. If you want to duplicate the text while keeping it in its original place, choose Copy instead. This action creates a copy that can be pasted elsewhere while the original remains intact. Next, place your cursor where you want the text to appear. This destination can be anywhere in your current document or even another document entirely. Once reached, right-click again to open another menu. From here, you're presented with a few paste options. For most situations, you'll want to choose the first option, Keep Source Formatting. This will maintain the original look of the text, preserving any fonts, colors, or styles you've applied. If you need a different formatting option, Microsoft Word offers others like Merge Formatting or Keep Text Only, which you can explore based on your specific needs. Practicing these skills will streamline your document editing processes, making your writing tasks more efficient and allowing you to focus on content rather than mechanics. Remember, knowing exactly when to cut, copy, and paste can transform how you manage your documents, saving time and effort. The more you practice, the more adept you'll become at these handy techniques, enhancing your overall productivity in Word.